In today's video, I'll show you how to install the CoreFX graphics mod in GTA 5 Enhanced. Check my video description for this mod download link. Select the Join for free option and select Continue with Google. Once you log in, go to Posts, scroll down under Recent Post. You can able to see download latest version of CoreF. Select the Google Drive. CoreFX enhanced single player.zip. You need to download this one. Check the three dot icon and check download option. Once you download done, check my video description for these other two required mods. Right click on the CoreFX and select WinRAR and select the extract to option. Right click on the script key and select WinRAR and select open with WinRAR. Right click on the game and select open file location. Open bin, drag up all these files inside the game folder. And then open the score fx, sorry, open rpf, drag and drop this asi inside. Once this done, open the core fx, open core fx. We need to install using OpenIV. Open OpenIV if it doesn't have installed OpenIV for GTA 5 Enhanced. Check my video description for this tutorial video on how to install OpenIV for GTA 5 Enhanced. Once installed done, select the edit mode and select yes option. Drag and drop this OIV file inside. Select install option. Select game folder. Confirm installation. Once this installed done, close. Double click on this install bat and select run option. Navigate to GTA 5 enhanced game folder and select folder option. Once this done, press any key. Then go back. Open this CoreFX reshade. Select all these files, drag and drop inside the OpenIV. Select edit mode. Select yes. Now you can able to drag and drop. See done. Go back and open CoreFX roads. Drag and drop this OIV file. Install game folder. Confirm installation. Once this done, double click on install bat. Run option. Installation complete. Press any key. Then go back and open this optionals. Street lights. You can either choose coffee light or white light. I'm gonna choose white. Stand up this OIV. Edit mode. Insect yes. Stand up OIV. Install game folder. Confirm installation. Once this done, close. Install bat. Run. Press any key to continue. Then go back. Open brighter emergency lights. Drag and drop the OIV file. Every time you need to select the edit mode and select yes option before dropping this OIV file. When the run this install bat, then open simple camera and drop these two files inside OpenIV. Then go back, open sun flare. You can either choose star sun flare or white sun lens flare. I'll choose white sun lens flare. drag and drop OIV file, install. Once this installation done, install bat. Everything is done. We have done all things. Close stuff here and launch the game. I'll show you guys before and after comparison. You can easily compare this graphics mod. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.